Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode 71 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heel, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He answers the questions. We read the questions, and there's a lot of questions. We take the cool, the interesting, the funny, and the straight lies that he dispels and puts them here for you. So on this episode, we're talking about service dogs on Princess Key, service time on the name badges, free drink with a VIFP status, bringing your own distilled water, and dancers in the MDR for anytime dining. Alrighty, question one. These people just booked a cruise next year and their kiddo has a service dog. And they were wondering if it would be allowed on Princess Key. They want to, go explore, but will it be allowed on Princess Key? John said, yes, they are. He did ask that they please check with Carnival first by emailing access@carnival.com with their booking number so they can make sure they have the correct paperwork for the service dog. A for the boat, B for the island, because they're going to look for that. So can you? Yes, access@carnival.com. This person saw where John posted a video and he called out a crew member with 30 years of service with Carnival. They thought it would be a great thing to put on their name badge the years of service. Because we've been on a lot of cruises and there's a lot of people that have been there a long time. I thought this was a great idea myself. Jacinta said, yeah, it is a great idea, but it would require them to change the badges quite often, so it's not likely to happen. So while I agree, they have nice badges, they got to print them, they're probably expensive, maybe a sticker or a pin. I spent years at Home Depot, and for every year you got a badge to hang off your apron. I just think it would be cool because they recognize you a lot of times with, your service, if you will, by the color of your card and say thank you for coming back. It would be cool to do the same for the crew. We would like if that would happen. Speaking of liking, if you like what you see and you like cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate it. All right, question 3. I love this one. If they get a free drink with their VIFP status, how does it benefit them if they purchase the chairs package? And I love John's answer for this one. Frankly, it doesn't. I just thought that was funny. But yeah, the comment side, if you have the chairs package, your first drink's free. I don't know, maybe you can get 16th on that day? You can't. It's 15 every day. So yeah, I just thought that was quite amusing. Small things amuse me if you haven't noticed. Next one. Can I bring my own gallon of distilled water for their CPAP machine? They searched the website and they could not find it. Update. I think the day after they posted this question, John posted on his page that Carnival now offers the distilled water on the website. So you can actually pre-order it. It's a little bit more than the stores. It's $5.90 a gallon. But I would recommend doing it ahead of time. So if you get on the boat, a lot of times they sell out because a lot of CPAP users get on the boat, go to guest services, and order their distilled water. So do it ahead of time. It costs you a little bit more. Actually, I don't even know if it's the same on the website or on the boat. I don't know. We'll figure that out. But anyway, get it ahead of time. It is available on the website. Last question. This cruiser wanted to know if the servers dance in the MDR for your time or anytime dining, because they really like to watch them, but they didn't know if they did it for anytime diners. And John said, indeed they do. He did recommend as soon as you get on the boat or shortly thereafter, go to see the hostess in the dining room and ask them what time they do it, because they do it twice during the cruise. But I don't think it's the same time on every single cruise. So go to the MDR, see your hostess. They will tell you when it's going to happen, and you can see the cool dances. They are kind of fun, actually. So this has been episode 71 of Yakety-Yak. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please take care.